Well, fam, welcome back once again to another part of the JJ's PC builds. This is JJ once again with you. Today, what we're going to be talking about, well, this evening, I would say, we're going to talk about AMD Radeon. Not AMD Radeon, AMD Adrenalin 22. Was it 2223? Just came out. Let me make sure, because I don't want to give you guys the wrong impression, giving you the wrong idea that we're gonna see. It is my bad. It was 2210.3. See, even if I make a mistake or anything else, I don't cut anything out. So I figured I'll let you know that I made a mistake, and it was the 2210.3. So we're gonna have a deep dive into it and see if there's anything else going on. No. That was pretty much it. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into it, and we're going to do this B-roll, so do stand by, and here we go. Alrighty, welcome back from that B-roll. I know you don't see my face right now. It's just I wanted to dive right into this and get you all up to date. The 22... Actually, that's the wrong one. So, oh yeah, we're going to have to dive back down deep. It's 2210.3. So, don't want to give you the wrong information, so we are going to get you the right information. Okay, 2210.3. This is the highlights to it. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, the support for Radeon boost using variable rate shading in Dying Light 2, and the fixes. Elite Dangerous may crash upon Radeon RX 6000 series GPUs. Black screen may occur during driver upgrade or settings reset using Microsoft Windows 11 version 22H2 on Radeon 6000 series GPUs. Now, lower than expected performance on Gotham Knights using AMD processors on some AMD graphic products such as Radeon RX 6950 XT. Known issues. World of Warships prediction lines may be missing on Radeon RX 6000 series GPUs. Resolution target for 2211.1. When Radeon anti-lag is enabled, a beep can be heard by pressing Shift back key plus back key. Resolution targeted for 2211.1. GPU utilization may be stuck at 100% in Radeon performance metrics after closing games on some AMD graphic products such as Radeon 570. Moving on. Stuttering may occur in video playback using hardware acceleration with Firefox on some AMD graphics products such as Radeon RX 6900 XT graphics. Brief display corruption may occur when switching between the video and games on Windows on some AMD graphic products such as RX 6700 XT. Okay, now just to let you know, that's all dealing with the 6000 series. Now, like for the iGPU I got, that's on the 5000 series, so that doesn't really apply to what I have going on, but it is a driver update as well. And it's a good one, because I've been using it for the last couple days, haven't had one stitch of a problem, just to let you know. And important notes: AMD software capture and streaming features and overlay support for clone mode and iInfinity display configurations will be introduced at a later date. Sounds like they got something coming up there. Package contents: the AMD software AMD Adrenalin 2210.3 installation package containing the following: AMD Adrenalin software Adrenalin edition 2210.3 driver version 22.20.29.04 for Windows 10 and 11. The driver store version is 31.0.12029.4013. I figure I'm going to go in depth details with you all on this, so you might as well just get right on it. So, AMD Adrenalin software, AMD Adrenalin edition 2210.3 installation package can be downloaded from the following link. Right from AMD store, or you can take, and if you got the AMD drivers, if you got AMD software installed on your PC, you can take and go directly to the software edition. We'll move it right up here for you. You can go right to the home and see where it says 2210.3 and up to date. You can check for updates, and boom, it's up to date. Just to let you know, it's right there where it says driver software. That's another way you can download it automatically right to your PC and do specific updates. It'd be best to do a clean install and keep your settings in the advanced tab that's up there. You can hit the advanced tab and open up to where you can check clean install and keep all your settings. So it will keep all your settings, just to let you know. And moving down the road, it gives you the installation edition, tells you all about it. And if you want to get it, you can go to the AMD store and you can type in the AMD Adrenalin 2210.3 and it will automatically bring you up to this, and you can download it from here. And it gives you all the compatibilities, the mobilities, the processors it's compatible with, the results, the test suite results and the Microsoft certifications. It still says it's in progress with the Microsoft certifications, but it's compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, after reading all that to you, for y'all to understand, with your 6000 series, it's got some bugs and fixes that needs to be worked out. I'm sure later on down the road, when it gets time for the new driver software to be updated for the new series graphics cards, the new 7000 series graphics cards, they'll have all this worked out by then. Hopefully, that's what we're hoping on. But for now, it looks like that the new update is looking good. As far as let's see, as far as any stutters or anything on my PC, I'm not exhibiting any stutters or anything else, just to let you know. So, it comes down to that bit of, is it good or is it bad? Well, I can tell you right now, with AMD getting ready to roll out their new graphics card, I can tell you this is not bad. This is a pretty good deal that they got going on here. So it's well worth the update. If you got a 6000 series card, you take your chances with that. If not, you're still gonna have. They still have issues all the way from 10.1 to 10.3. So there's issues that they're still working out. It seems like the more of the bugs are moving towards the Windows 11 that they're trying to work out. So if you got Windows 11, probably stay at 22.10.1 and work your way up slowly to 22.10.2 and then 22.10.3. Unless you play certain games to where they're having the issues with the certain games, then then if you don't play those games, it's not going to affect you. Go from there. Use this as your own choice. If you want to upgrade all the way to 22.10.3, that's up to you, but I'm going to tell you it's not showing me any issues whatsoever. Just to let you know. So there's my 2 cents on the 22.10.3. So like and subscribe, and if you want to help us out, like, subscribe, watch the videos to the end so we can get up to 4,000 watch hours, and so we can get moving up to the next goals that we want to reach. Everything is much appreciated, and thank you all once again for watching our videos, and we do have more to come. So until the next video, we will see you the next time. So enjoy your day, your evening, or wherever you're at, and be safe.